fucking glasses. It's that easy. Oh my god, this is an incredible filter. I love this so much. Oh, how great. Oh, I love it. But for real though, I need to quit with the... I was like, is this person taking pictures of me or what is that? I was like, is that a bird or a man? I can't really... But for real, I really can't see though. I don't do it to be funny.
You're blind.
I actually am like this all day. Like, I need to... They're right here, my glasses. Like, just... So, bitch. I hope you like my glasses because they don't fucking stay now. So I don't have to look like this no more. Next time I'm outside and I see you taking pictures of me, I'm gonna be like, with my fruit and nut mix, berry snacks. But for real though, on some real shit, even when I'm squinting, I look cute. So I got good news for you, kid.
That's the gag.
The gag is I look cute no matter what. I may not be able to see, but the gag is I don't have to be able to see to know that I look good, honey.
I may have the worst eyesight of anybody you ever known in your whole life, but the gag is I can see with my third eye. So I'm good.
Oh, darling, I might not be able to see very well, but the good thing is I can see how much you love me. Don't you know? Ooh, papi chulo. I may not be able to see it with my eyes, but darling, you know what? I can see it with my titties. Tan chulo, papi. I may not be able to see, but I don't need my eyes to, get it done. You know what I'm saying? Girl, I don't need eyes. Have you seen his legs, honey? Yes!
It's still a video, Daniel.
There we go.
I thought your cheeks was your head for a sec. Subscribe. I love this one. So good, man. Looking good today, girl. I call this.
Shoot one? Wait, did he say shooting a video?
It's a Snapchat, Rashad.
I don't have one. I don't know what it is.
I get to be Pony Duck.
I'm pony back. Ew.
Yes, queens. Give me options. Give mommy options on that swing.
Oh my god. How do you
Can't take it.
What's that, motherfucker?
You don't know my life. Ew. Shit on my lip.
We do two things. We have fun and we learn. Which of you guys want to do first?
Girl, I want to learn, girl.
Who wants to learn first?
Me.
This is not good?
No, it's. Yes, bitch. Smack it on.
Also,
It smells like Play-Doh.
Enter ka mag, enter ka mag.
Wait.
Enter ka mag.
Who are you?